Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now, this week's episode.
The King of the Gods and the Valentine Star. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Ed Romano, amateur astronomer from Rhode Island, and I'll be your guest host this month on Stargazer. If you want to give your sweetheart something special and out of this world for Valentine's Day, we have two exquisitely beautiful objects in the cosmos, gift-wrapped and ready to present. Let me show you. Okay, we've got our sky set up for Valentine's Day night, Monday, February 14th, an hour after sunset, facing southwest, where you'll see an exquisitely beautiful, dazzlingly brilliant object that will look like a star, but a star it is not. It is instead the biggest and almost the brightest planet we can see from Earth, the planet named for the Roman king of the gods, 88,000-mile-wide Jupiter. If you have a telescope, take a look at Jupiter and see if it has one or two dark bands running along its middle. Normally there are two, but how many can you spot? So this Valentine's Day, you can celebrate by first showing your loved one the biggest planet in the night sky shining down on both of you, which will be prettier than any Valentine's Day card. Then, for a super special cosmic Valentine, look due south between the hours of 8 and 9 p.m., and you'll see a very bright red star shining above the horizon. In fact, it is the brightest red star we can see with the naked eye from planet Earth. And just coincidentally, it reaches its highest point above the horizon every Valentine's Day between the hours of 8 and 9 p.m. It marks the shoulder star of the great star giant Orion the Hunter, and its name is Betelgeuse, which most people pronounce Betelgeuse. And if you've ever wanted to give your loved one a really big Valentine, well, this is about as big a one as you'll ever find. Indeed, if we compare Betelgeuse, the Valentine star, with our own star, the Sun, and our own planet, the Earth, you'll understand just how big. Now, we all know that our Earth is 8,000 miles wide, which means it's pretty dinky compared to our Sun, which is 865,000 miles wide. In fact, we could fit over 1 million Earths inside our Sun. Betelgeuse, however, is so huge we could fit over 160 million of our suns inside it. And that's when Betelgeuse is at its smallest size. I say smallest size because Betelgeuse changes its size regularly like a gigantic, slowly pulsating heart, one that beats, however, only once every 6 years. Now, when Betelgeuse is fully contracted and at its smallest size, it is still about 500 times the width of our Sun. But when it expands to its biggest size, it is almost 900 times as wide. Or if you care to think of it this way, if we could place Betelgeuse where our Sun is, when Betelgeuse is at its smallest, it would stretch out past the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, all the way to Mars. But when it's at its largest, it will reach all the way out to that planet we see just after sunset, Jupiter. Wow! So there you have it. A brilliant planet named for the king of the gods right after sunset in the southwest, and due south between 8 and 9 p.m., and at its highest, the biggest cosmic Valentine you'll ever want to give, Betelgeuse. A giant red star slowly beating like a heavenly heart for your sweetheart, courtesy of our local galaxy. Is this a romantic cosmos or what? I'm Ed Romano. Keep looking up.
Make the Stars Your Own is available on DVD or VHS for $19.95. In addition, Stargazing with Jack Horkheimer, Cosmic Comics for the Skywatcher is also available for $19.95.
Thank you.